How to fix Cyberpunk 2077 frequent crashes on PS4/PS5/Xbox/Windows. Here are some tips that would help you fix Cyberpunk 2077 frequent crashes on PS4/PS5/Xbox/Windows. 1. For console players, try these tips. Try removing then reinstalling the app on your device. Rebuild the game database on your PS5/PS4. Restore the game license. 2. For Windows PC users, try updating your system via Windows Update, and upgrading device drivers. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. For all Cyberpunk 2077 players, keep your app up to date by updating it in time or regularly.